Spark 40 is actually going to go away. I'm going to give it to one lucky person. iPhone 17 Pro Max is finally here. So if you all remember a couple of days ago, I transformed this particular Techno Spark 40 into iPhone 17 Pro Max. Allegedly, this particular device right there, I actually spray painted it with the cosmic orange color to look like iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I did a video about it, and some people actually walked and comment about the video, but I said something that I have actually made an order for the 17, the actual 17 Pro Max, which is currently on the road and on the way. And right here, I have my 17 Pro Max, and I want to unbox it right with you, even though I've actually unboxed it before. But let's just all do it together and see what exactly is inside the box. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you have the opportunity right now to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop more other videos on this particular channel. I don't want to make this video so long. All we just want to do is see what is inside the iPhone 17 Pro Max box. So now I have actually peeled it off. With this, you can see I've peeled it off, and this is the exact box right here. You can see I have peeled the box off, and now we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max right in front. And now I'm going to open it up just like this, so for you to see what we have inside. So right here, if you just open it up, you're going to see what we have inside. And now we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max right here. And if I remove the phone right now, just take off the phone like this, pull it down, and this is what we are going to have inside. Also, we have the Type-C USB cable cord, which is right inside like this. You can see this is what we have, and after this we have this iPhone manual, whatever that is put inside, and that is all inside of this box. So all we have left is just this device right here, and if you see, look at it from the back right now, you can see what we have right here. That is all we have inside the box of iPhone 17 Pro Max. And just like at this side, we have the power button, and right here we have the camera button also right here. Here we have the audio button, the silent button, whatever. We have the audio control button right here, the volume control. And we have the SIM slot right here also, and here we have the 3 cameras and the flashlight and whatever that is actually here. So now I'm gonna peel it off once again right here, so you can see what we have right here. So that is it. That is all we have on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So that is all and everything. So this device, is this something you are going to buy with 2.9 million naira? This is 256 gig. Is this something you can buy with 2.9 million naira, or you're going to invest your money in crypto? Because obviously I didn't invest my money. I just went ahead to buy this device, and I don't know if it is going towards my investment. Anyways, it's going towards it because I actually need a camera, and apart from my main camera, I need something more. And also I'm going to dispose some of my mobile phone right in the studio, probably sell it or give it out or whatever. I'm going to do them because I don't want to own too much gadgets, especially this Techno Spark 40 is actually going to go away. I'm going to give it to one lucky person, and let me know in the comment section if you should get this particular device, and I'm going to pick just one person. Like I said, watch this video, share it, like, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel and comment.